Migao mar omenda puoyo bajet mosom kawuono gi jatend migao Nyunguna Ndung'u wacho ni bajet no machilo 3.992 en mano modeo sectors mochune pachoka kendo dhi kelo ber ne Kenya. Ndung'u dok ne okang' mar juogo jokenya osuru kaka yo mar leo pek mar bajet no, kolero ni onge yo machielo minyalo tigodo e yudo pes bajet ma ok ohinyo Kenya.
First, you can see the economic growth in 2023, and second, we continue to see some vibrancy. But third, that is second, you can see that vibrancy and also economic vibrancy is actually related even to seeing how inflation is behaving in terms of stability and the exchange rate.
There's a lot of noise around overtaxation, which in my view, it may be valid because it looks like some group of Kenyans are more overtaxed, but generally, when you look at the numbers, it doesn't show that Kenyans are overtaxed, because I look at the number now. We're talking about, I was looking at it now, it is 15% of GDP. And our desire is to reach 25%. So it really, 15